Hello boys and girls, and welcome to day one of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we are going to be focusing on another sound that we have seen before already, so we should be excellent at saying this sound. The sound is Sean. Can you say that? Sean. 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 Now, the T and the I sounds like sh sound, but we know that it's T and I, and then on the end. T and I is another way we can say sh. So this sound is Sean. Sean. And on the back, we have got, it's like a street artist that we would see during the Fringe in Edinburgh. And he is saying to his audience, pay attention, it's a celebration. And it looks like he's playing the trumpet. Now Miss Brown's got some words that has the Sean sound in them. Conversation. Conversation. Celebration. Celebration. One more. Attention. Attention. Good job at blending, boys and girls. I wonder if I can trick you. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say Sean. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say, pay attention, it's a celebration. Are you ready? So you can't trick me, Miss Brown. Okay, we are going to pop this sound into our review pack. When you spot the sound we're practicing, I want you to point at it and say, oh, there it is. Are you ready? Oh, there it is. There it is again. Super speedy sound, boys and girls. Okay, we're going on to our story green words. Now, these words are split into syllables. And instead of having to Fred talk all these words, we're going to say the syllables, and that'll help us to read the word. Let's have a go together with the first one. Attention. Attention. Your turn. Superb. On your own this time. Remember, say the syllables. Read the word. Conversation. Conversation. Syllables. Read the word. What word is this? Celebration. Next one. Read the word. Exploration. Next one. Oh, this is a longer one. How many syllables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables for this word. First syllable. Read the word. Congratulations. Last one. Syllable. Read the word. Tradition. Well done, boys and girls. You are super at sounding out your syllables and reading the word. Okay, moving on to our speedy reading. These are words that we already know, so we should be able to read these super speedily. Are you ready? Okay, moving on to these ones. Super speedy reading, boys and girls. Okay, we're going to finish off with some red tricky words. I'm going to choose some out of our pack to do. Are you ready? Magnet eyes. Super speedy reading with your red tricky words. You will find the rest of your red tricky words in your book and on the PowerPoint. Well done, boys and girls. We have been able to say, read and spot our tion sound. Now remember, what is the first two letters of this sound? It sounds like shh, but what is it? That's right. It's T, E, O, N, tion. Don't get confused with that, boys and girls. Okay, we have finished our introduction of a sound. What I'd like you to do now is your red tricky words, your story green words, your super speedy sounds in your reading book. Alexander and Callum, you are on chapter 3 of Olympia on the Ball. Enjoy, boys and girls, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Read, Write, Ink.